See if we can find a couple of gags to work into today. Got a really spectacular sunrise this morning, so I took a time lapse. I might have let the whole thing run because I watched it back on the camera, it looked quite good. So I'm sorry for 30 seconds of time lapse sunrise, but we've really enjoyed it.
Been terrific.
Terrific. You see it's all lighting up around here now, it's lovely. Right, we're heading off to get breakfast. So the plan today is there's a castle, can't quite remember the name of it, I'll put it on the screen, it's one of those difficult to pronounce ones. Then maybe go up the, I think it's the Llandudno area, and then head over to Anglesey. Breakfast, another healthy start to the day. We're on holiday, behave! We're heading over to, well, back to Rill, because we're going to Curry's because oldest friend wants an SD card. He's run out of memory. And then we're going to pop over to Halford's because I'm going to have a look at top boxes, see if I can get one for the van. It's only a possibility, not a guarantee. Might also have a look in an Argos if there is one at some point, see if I can replace the Neo. Have you watched yesterday's video? Yeah, Neo incident, bugger. So we had a look in Curry's, didn't have the SD card in. Went to Halford's, they've got a top box which would kind of fit on here, which would be kind of nice. However, this bar needs to be moved to here, that thing there, and they won't do it. And, you know, I need to buy a spanner and stuff. And I'm on holiday and can't be faffed. So...
Oh my god, that was funny. Google Assistant said, Gwrych Castle may be closed. Gwrych is Gwrych, I found out.
Nice, good old Google. This looks like it might be a dramatic entrance into the castle. Wow, that's quite cool.
It is indeed.
It looks like there's quite a lot goes on in these castle grounds. Golf course, as well as all this other stuff going on. That looks really quite stunning, doesn't it, set into the hillside there?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Look at that! Wow!
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that.
Now that's not bad, is it? It just keeps going, yeah, as castles go, were you going to say? Yeah. Yeah, that's quite impressive. So just so that you know, the castle access and parking for both oldest friend and I, it was £25.50, and she even gave me a biscuit for Nita because they're dog friendly. She made a big emphasis on that. It is quite magnificent, isn't it? As we climb up to the front of the castle, you can kind of see why they built it here. You've got a view right across the bay and across the surrounding countryside. Ooh. Oh wow.
About toy things that we use the architecture, and I expect it is perhaps this which got in the job here. But unfortunately, he didn't keep it very long. Building actually began in 1819.
Nice little seating area. Oggy, I always knew it. Honourable mentions. Don't look very happy. And that's what you get for being nosy. A few medieval recycling bins with some modern signage. I know. It just keeps on giving. I totally recommend coming here. Water butt. Water butt. Don't blink. Whatever you do, don't blink. Another horrible viewpoint. Wow. Like I say, it just keeps on giving.
Just keeps on giving.
So for those of you who actually give a shit, I'm a Celebrity was filmed here the COVID years, 2020, 2021. I'm guessing because they were able to do all that social isolation thing in a castle built into a mountainside, hillside. Yeah. Theatre. Let's go. That was good. As I walked through there, you were doing the hokey pokey. I knew Drew Barrymore was old, but I didn't realise she was that old.
Yes, during the 1950s, this idea of the cursed room started. See that sealed door? Over there to the left of the secretary writing desk.
No, I see it.
The legend says a curse falls on anyone who tries to find out what's behind it.
Ooh, chillin'.
It is, and it just shows how history, especially bits we don't fully understand, like a sealed door.
Oh, that's exciting. It's like a little village, this bit. Kind of like walking down an old village street. Yeah, all these friends, it feels like we're in Bavaria somewhere like where Chitty Chitty Bang Bang might have been filmed. For those of you old enough to remember or have actually seen Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. I said Chitty Chitty Bang Bang.
Not shitty shitty bang bang.
Oh, wow. That's a tower. So that walk down there and around here brings us back to where the toilets are. I popped to those when I first got here. And we've kind of done the whole route. I've really enjoyed this one. I do like a good castle, as you probably guessed from some of the other videos. And this is a good castle. A damn good castle. What say you?
I'll go 10 out of 10 on this one.
Inclined to agree. So, for those of you, again, who give us shit about the I'm a Celebrity thing, welcome to the Clink. This is the actual set used in the 2021 series of I'm a Celebrity. Who gives a shit? Ye old shoppy. Oh, look at this. Well, I think we've seen just about everything. I know, where do I get them from? Where do I get them? Yes, definitely fair to say that didn't disappoint. Right, now, Llandudno. Helps if I open the actual van. Look, Snowdon.
Bloody Snowdon. Interesting. That up there with the carved out rock face.
Yeah, I was wondering what that monument was.
The dildo of Daffys.
I think I'll delete that from this video clip. So, Llandudno, this looks like quite a nice setting.
For a murder mystery.
Drop in. So if you've seen yesterday's video, you'll know why I need this. Now that's a very white seafront.
It is it. I was just thinking that as well.
So this is Llandudno. Can you see the cable cars at the top of the hill? I don't think it's moving though. Oh, it is moving.
Alright, yeah.
For a seaside resort, none of the paintwork looks shabby.
Yes, exactly.
Quite dramatic driving around here.
These cars need their handbrakes checking often.
Yeah, ruddy hell, this is a steep climb.
Bloody is, isn't it?
So this is the summit at the end of Llandudno. It looks like there's an old quarry or mine over there. But the views from here, this camera will not do it justice. If I'm not mistaken, I might have got my bearings right. One of these is Anglesey. I think that's Anglesey over there, isn't it?
Let's have a look.
It will be because we're at the pinnacle. Wow. I'd send the drone up, but it's a bit windy.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So all that bit there is Anglesey.
And I think that might be Red Wharf Bay area somewhere over there where we're heading tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite magnificent. If I walk down this wall a bit, so down there in the valley, kind of dip, that's sort of like the Llandudno area, and that's the coastline that we've come up.
Yeah.
Yeah, just had a look on the map, and that's not Red Wharf Bay. It's actually further out there and then round. Right, after that little stop off, we're heading over to Anglesey. And we're looking for a spot that we've seen on the way to Red Wharf Bay. Dude, this is cool. Another cool tunnel. Yeah, I don't recognise this bridge. The other one we came across looked like Space Invaders. So we're now on Anglesey and we're heading over to a part that we've never been to before. We're doing more the north coast this time, whereas last time we kind of went straight up the middle up to Holyhead, however you want to pronounce it. We've only got about 7 miles to do to where we think we might be staying for the night. We've pulled up here, but we've decided it's just a little bit too exposed. You can see all these buildings around. Found another spot about 13 miles away, so we're going to go and have a shufty. Right, we've decided this is our spot for the night. Nice little area here. A little inlet there. Look at that, what a lovely bay.
Nice and
Somebody
clear, isn't it?
fishing down there. Yeah, it is really clear, very green. My oldest friend is attempting to make corned beef con carne. Now, I don't think anybody can ever say anything about my cooking ever again, but we'll see what it turns out like. It's going to be an interesting mix, is this one. One lump of beef.
Oh, 3. Yeah, I'm not filming this for my channel.
I'm not surprised. I'll keep you posted. Update. Chili con carne sauce going in.
All of it.
Just to mask the flavour. It reminds me of the time when I first left home. True story this, and one of the first things I ever made was corned beef soup. It was utterly vile.
I apologise to any Mexicans watching this.
Yeah.
They'll be horrified that A, I've used corned beef, and B, I've...
Chili con carne sauce in a jar.
Yeah.
To be fair,
In a jar, sorry,
I smelt worse.
Have you?
He's going in. He's put cranberries in it.
Have you ever had fish and chips and put salt on and the salt pot lids come off and just gone everywhere and I've got to eat it? It's a bit like that.
Nice. Omelette maker, eggs, noodles, keeping it simple. Whoa.
Because they don't have any potato or onion.
In all fairness, I'm not sure whose looks worse tonight, mine or oldest friends, to be fair. There it is, the culinary delight, Korean beef noodles on omelettes. I'll tell you what, this tastes alright.
Good.
All the visitors have gone from this car park, and it seems a shame to miss out on this big open space. It's that time again where we get the fire going and oldest friend burns the contracts of his previous jobs.
The thing is, people will think, oh, they're just joking. Wait,
No.
no. It's therapeutic.
Another good day. Really enjoyed Gwrych Castle. That was absolutely magnificent. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. And the view from that crest at Llandudno. Yeah, really quite spectacular. Yeah, good day. And it was good to replace the Neo. Hopefully I'll get that set up tomorrow and registered and all that, so it's good to fly. Right, that's it for today. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing in terms of liking, subscribing and all that jazz. You take care of yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Cheerio.